Hello, lovely people. Today I'll be teaching you how to prepare very simple liquid soup. Very simple one. So we are making 40 liters of liquid soup in a big barrel. So in here is my SLES. That is what we call here in Ghana as base. So this is my base, 2 kg of base in the barrel. Then I have salt solution here. So I dissolve 700 grams of salt. That is the normal salt you use in the house, the iodinated salt you use in your kitchen. You can just dissolve 2 packs of it. So this 700 grams of salt, well dissolved in water. This is our booster, also dissolved in water. It is appropriate that the booster is well dissolved so that you have a very smooth soup. This I'm going to use EDTA, so you can use EDTA or STTP, which one that is comfortable with you. So I am dissolving my EDTA as well in water. And here is sulfonic acid. This sulfonic acid has been dissolved and well activated with a little caustic soda. That is lye, a little lye to activate the sulfonic acid. Then here is my thickener. I am using HPMC as the thickening agent, and I have dissolved my thickener too in water before coming to use. I am dissolving everything because it makes the soup easy to make and also very transparent. So we want transparent soup and we want it to come out very easy. We don't want to suffer. So everything is being dissolved before. So in my barrel which contains the SLES, I'll be adding my salt solution. So the salt solution is going into the barrel, and then I will just go ahead and mix it with my mixer. You can see how thick it is coming